Hi friend, this is ashwini.sarkar and you are watching Technical Asta. In this video I am going to show you how to install Windows from your pen drive. If your laptop should not support pen drive on boot menu, then what we will do? At present in market, few laptop should not support pen drive on boot menu. In this case you just modify your BIOS option, little changes, just like a secure boot drive disable and launch CSM option should be enabled, and save it by pressing F10 button. Now here you can see boot option are available, but that is not my question. Question is that if your laptop BIOS should not have any option for launch CSM, then what will you do? That means your laptop should not support pen drive. That is final. But wait a minute, I just going to show you how to boot your laptop by pen drive or flash drive. If your laptop BIOS should not have any option for launch CSM. So friend, let's go to my laptop. This is my laptop. This is ASUS VivoBook 15 x512 and this laptop should not have any launch CSM option. Let's open this laptop. Press power button and go to BIOS. This is main menu tab. Now go to next tab, advanced. Here you can see advanced tab option. Here are no launch CSM option. And go to next tab, boot tab. Here you can see here only fast boot option. It is my Western Digital 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD. Boot option 2 is Samsung SSD 850 Pro SATA SSD. Here you can see no launch CSM option available in this laptop BIOS. Exit. Yes. Okay, let's see the video. Okay, I have logged in my laptop. Now you just open any browser like Chrome browser. Here you type www.winusb.net. Here I type winusb.net. Press enter. This is the official site of WinUSB. You just download WinUSB software. Okay, I have already downloaded, so should not again cancel it. This is the WinUSB software. Okay, it is my pen drive. Just insert the pen drive in your laptop. Okay, now you go to manage option. Okay, ask for administrator right. Yes, click on full screen. Now you click on disk management option. Here you can see 3 disks are available on my laptop. Disk 0 is my Samsung SATA SSD. Disk 1 is my WD Black NVMe SSD 1TB. Disk 2 is my pen drive. Just format the pen drive, right click and click format. Okay, warning message. Yes, here you notice one thing. I just select the file system like a FAT32. Just select FAT32. Okay, warning message. Okay, now my pen drive is formatting. Okay, my pen drive is formatted and it is also active primary partition. Close the manage option. Now you can see my pen drive. This is my pen drive. Nothing any file on this pen drive. Okay, now you open the WinUSB exe. Double click on, ask for the administration right. Okay, first you select the pen drive. This is my pen drive, 16 GB pen drive. Here you can see there 14.71 GB space available. Okay, no issue. Now you select the ISO file. I will choose a Windows 10 Pro ISO. Okay, open. Yes, Windows 10 Pro ISO. Okay, here you can add some other ISO also. It is multi-boot pen drive software. I just choose only one ISO, that is Windows 10 Pro. Okay, click on next button. You notice this pop-up window. Here do not click any boxes because already I have formatted this pen drive as a FAT32 file system. Just click yes, big size. He asked for the big size on FAT32 system. Okay, yes. Now software going to prepare make a bootable pen drive from Windows 10 Pro ISO. Okay, now software automatically create the pen drive as a bootable pen drive or Windows 10 ISO. Now here you can see here ISO file are extracting. After completing the extracting file of ISO, it will make a bootable pen drive. It's take time. Okay, my pen drive is ready. Now click on OK. Here you can see processing is finished. Now pen drive is ready for Windows 10 bootable. Now close the software. Let's see my pen drive. This is my pen drive. Pen drive is ready. Okay. This is the procedure how to make a bootable pen drive, Windows 10 or multi-boot system. Now I shut down my laptop. Shut down. My pen drive still in my laptop. Now I will go to boot menu again. Just press the escape button and press power button and leave the power button. Here you can see boot Windows Boot Manager Samsung SSD 850 Pro 512. This is my SATA SSD. Second boot is WD 1 TB NVMe SSD, and third boot is UEFI generic flash disk. Okay, now I select the generic flash disk. Here you can see Windows distribution. Press enter. See here only one ISO file, Windows 10 Pro ISO file is here because my pen drive make a single boot Windows 10 Pro ISO file. Okay. Thank you friends to watching my video. If you like this video then please subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.